Loads to be worked on within the division. The member concerned that some of their electoral area loads were not on list. Mr. Speaker, the committee recommended councillors were included on the list. However, it was clarified that the grading was to start with those in very poor condition when funds are good. Second point, Mr. Speaker, assessment of the loads to be worked. Assessment of the load to be worked with updates and clarified from the loads inspector that the loads to be worked on need to be first assessed. The committee recommended that the assessment be done so as to give a right picture of what is required to be done. Mr. Speaker, point number 3. Notifying area councillors whenever the loads are being graded. Mr. Speaker, the committee recommended that engineer and secretary for works and security should always notify the area councillors during road grading as a good practice, and also for their accountability. Mr. Speaker, point number 4. Provision for water through running channels. With notes that the recent regular loads went bad soon due to lack of proper water running channels. Members recommended for slightly deep water through running channel alongside the loads so as to avoid the damages caused by rainwater. Akatundu akokubiri ndete ekiteeso nti kansa eno ekkirize recommendations zino oba ebiteeso oba ebyayitiddwa ebirowoozo netwaleeta ebikkirize bifuuke resolution za kansa eno. I beg to submit, Mr. Speaker.